So guys, my name is Samuel Awuyemi. So this verify SunWave with X now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on display. So that means that I'm going to start new mining afresh. So once I click on that, as you can see, this is what is going to bring up for you. So what you are going to do is you are going to click on continue. So as you can see, so this verify with X now. So tap the link. So I'm going to show you how you are going to do that now. So this is the link. So this is where you are going to click. So guys, once you click this link, it's going to take you to X. Make sure that you have the app on your phone and you have the account. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one first. So let me copy that. So I've copied it. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to click on this link, this place that I circled. As you can see, it has taken me to their post now. So guys, after I click the link now, I'm going to scroll up a little bit. So the first thing that you are going to make sure you are going to like here, and after that you are going to click this second place. So if I click this second place now, so I'm going to click here for me to repost it. So after you click on that repost, you are going to click on quotes. You're going to click on quotes now. So guys, so the text that you copied, so you are going to paste it here. You are going to paste it and you are going to hit on repost. So you have reposted the text now. So what we are going to do, we are going to back to SunWaves now. We are going to click on continue. So we are going to hit on confirm. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to my profile now. I'm going to my X account. I'm going to click on my profile at the top on your X account. So this is my profile at the top. As you can see, so this is my profile. So I'm going to click this place. I'm going to click here again, my profile. I'm going to click that. So guys, this is the post that I just posted now. So this is the post now. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. So under this post now, so this is the button that you are looking for. So this is the copy link, share link. So that is where I'm going to press next. So after you press the share link, you are going to see copy link. You can see now. So I'm going to copy the link now. So the link has been copied. You are going to go back to your SunWaves now. So you are going to paste the link and you are going to hit on verify. So you are going to hit on verify now. You are going to hit on confirm. So let's wait a little bit for it to verify. So guys, not a must that your name on your X account should be the same on the SunWave token, so we can see verification completed. So this is how you are going to verify your SunWave with X, and I hope this method works. So I'm going to hit on continue. So thanks for watching my videos. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.